So the first thing we're going to do
is unwrap it.
Set the rocket
Right there.
onto
There.
the launch pad. There you go, you got this big stick there. So we have it at a slight angle to account for the wind.
There.
All right, take the key out. Good, we have the safety key. No, you got it on the, yeah, you can be on that side of it. All right. Okay, leave the safety key out, just leave it all on. All right, so what we do is we hook these little deals up.
Tell me when I can put this.
I will, you got to get back with it too. Yep. Okay, now we have our rocket ready to go. And so, don't put the safety key in yet. Just wait for me to be ready. So there it is. So what we're gonna do is Lydia's gonna put the safety key in.
Now can I put it in?
Yep. And she's gonna hold the trigger, and then the rocket is gonna take off. And so here we go. Push the button whenever you're ready. There it is. Parachute not deploying. And it's tumbling.
And
And it's in the tree.
it got stuck in the tree.
All right, so what are we gonna do now?
Climb the tree?
Our parachute got melted last time. So that's why this happened. So it looks like Dad might have to climb the tree. Okay,
First I'm gonna find it.
well, I tell you what.
It's
Yeah, where on the tree is it? There it is.
where?
I see it. It's up in the middle. Come over here. Right up there.
I see it.
Okay, here, you take this. You take this. Here, I'm just gonna leave this on the ground right here.
Where is it?
Use my phone to call 911 if I fall from the tree, okay? Okay?
Okay. I just gotta find it first.
Huh?
I gotta find it first. Where is it again? There it is.
Alright, but you know what? I don't know if I can get up here.
I don't think you can.
Oh, almost.
You just need to get on that. You just need to get that branch.
Yep.
Try putting your foot on the tree and getting it.
Well, I will, but I need to wrap around it first.
You need to wrap around what?
Need to be able to jump and wrap around that.
You got it. I'm gonna. I've never seen anyone climb a tree before like that.
Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna be bad. I know this is hard. I know it's hard. This is gonna be.
It is pretty hard.
How are you gonna do this? This is gonna be a funny video.
Huh?
But also, I said this is gonna be a funny video, but also serious. And that was a train. That was weird. I have to back up a little bit. I have his phone too. His phone. There he is. There he is. Now you just gotta go there. What?
I don't know if I'm going to get this or not.
Right. I think I see it. No, it's not right there. I see it. It's weird. That looks dangerous. Do not fall, do not fall, do not. If he falls, he might fall for me. It's not gonna, huh? I don't think you're gonna get it out. You just need to get it. It's not. If you shake it, it's not gonna get out.
Well, it's starting to fall a little bit more.
Where's the... I just saw a helicopter.
Yep, it's landing at the hospital.
Where is it? Did you get it down? I bet it's gonna be hard getting down. Okay, that would stick my breath. Okay, you're good, you're good. Please.
Okay, here it comes.
Let go. Okay, you're not gonna jump down. You got the parachute. I mean, the rocket. And now that's gonna die. Where are they? Oh, there he is. It's coming down, coming down. Didn't see that. Just hang and then let go. Phone's over here.
All done?
Well
Okay.
done. Now
Stop it.
is that.